Welcome everybody to another installment of Crypto Moose, and the moose is loose. Like, subscribe, comment, do your thing. But what we're going to get into today are the reasons why I believe Cornucopia's the game is going to do a 50x. You've heard that right. This isn't a thing that I'm trying to just prop up and make up weird ideas. There's reasons for this. So I want to get into that after you like, comment, and subscribe. So if you take a look at the screen here, this is what I'm talking about. It's ranked 3548. So 3,500 out of, the 20,000 cryptos that we have. Why do I think this project's going to 50x? Well, look at the price, look at the tokenomics. You could check some of that out yourself. But if you look at the all-time high here, we came out hot, but there's a reason for that. So if you're wondering why was it 7 cents at one point, well, when the token first came out, it was only available on the Binance Smart Chain. So you had to have the BNB token, connect your wallet to, if you had a hardware wallet, MetaMask, and then you had to be on PancakeSwap, swap BNB for COPI. So you have to be able to, add that token. It's somewhat complex. But now what you can do is you can go connect your Nami wallet. We have videos showing you how to do this, and you can trade Cardano. So if I were to click 277 Cardano, I could go here and buy some COPI. So I could swap, let's say even 50 ADA. If you only have 10, 15 bucks, you could swap and get 500 COPI. So now it's effectively that easy to do. So that's one of the reasons. And this is why I want to talk about it. And especially if you were into it before, if you got in at this low, we're very early with this. Okay, all these assets, this game that they're building, they are self-funding it with the way of crypto. So when you think about proof of stake, right? You delegate your assets, you get rewarded in ADA tokens. Well, the team, they built a lot of initial funding through NFT sales with the use of smart contracts, and also the COPI stake pool. So you can delegate to COPI, and I'm sure more rewards will be there. I know you can earn ADA, but you are fundamentally supporting that project, which is cool. So Cornucopia is the game, okay? Enter the vast open world of Cornucopias. That's right here on their brand new website. Look at these bubble jets. Look at the land. Look at the level of detail. When I think about the Metaverse, some Metaverse games, they're doing it right. Okay, check out Cornucopia's YouTube channel. It's called Cornucopia's The Game, I believe. It's Rob and Josh. They do what's called COPI Cafe podcasts. Those guys are awesome. I'd like to have them on the channel. Rob and Josh, definitely hit me up in an email. So why do I like this? Well, it's very affordable, and it reminds me of the ability to get into Sandbox cheap. So look, we're at 3 cents here, right? And if you were to check out Sandbox, this is a huge game that's at 68 cents now. Very similar tokenomics, right? But if you look at the all-time high, this project used to be 2, 3, 4 cents. That's where we're at today. Next crypto bull run, we could easily be at $1. I think we could easily be at $1. And that would mean we're going to do a 30 to 50x. So you have to be ready to get out. But when this happens, when we go from, pennies to $1, $2, $3, that's where you can make a lot. And I'm not telling you to buy this coin. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. This is where my thinking's at, okay? And I just have an intuition about this. I just do. And the main reasons for it, for Cornucopias, is that the quality is there. They're not skipping corners. They're going to be launching this racing game first. So I own some of their assets. I own 53,000 tokens. I did a video on that. But this is just to show you that I am invested. I do believe in the project. I've got 7 bubble jets. So these are the vehicles that you can use in the game for the racing and just to get around in the game. So I believe they have what is known as the public transport. It's going to be like this big flying machine thing. And again, I'm not a gamer, but I am an investor. I've been into sports cards since I was a little kid when Yu-Gi-Oh first came out. Then I transitioned into crypto 6 years ago and been heavy into crypto for, listening for 6 years, but investing for 2 to 3 years, I would say. So let me know if you believe in what I'm saying. Again, I'm not telling you to get this project. I'm telling you to research the project. Okay? Watch this 4K game trailer. Test things out. Even if you take a look here, there's 40,000 members approximately. The subscribers are going up. I've been watching these guys since the beginning. Okay? I don't have an OG bubble jet, but I am basically an OG when it comes to COPI. The Crypto Moose got loose and, he even minted for some pretty cool gains. I did get a mythic, flipped it for some profit. That was cool. So I do own some land. Yeah, I do own, in here I have a large rare. So it's going to be a dome. Really cool. Check out the videos. I've done other ones here on the channel. I do have 3 pieces of land here. I didn't even know I owned that much. But I do have a large plot of land. And again, maybe I'll build a Crypto Moose area where people can come visit, or I can rent it out. Again, the idea of cryptocurrencies, fungible and non-fungible tokens and assets, it's a way for you to have ownership, right? Without, it's decentralized, without the need of a middleman. That's why these are built on top of blockchain. You have the security level equipped with the idea of non-fungible and fungible items. If you're confused by crypto, we're running a coupon code Moose is Loose. So in the description below, we have an NFT course. I show you how to mint these assets. I show you how to build a foundation so you can make your own decisions. That's why I'm sharing it with you. But you get 80% off that. I've got a crypto investing for beginners. We even have a crypto and a Pokemon and a sports card course. They're really good. They're really good. Designed for beginners. So a 10-day cryptocurrency challenge, a crypto investing for beginners, and an NFT course. I'm working on a masterclass. But when it comes out, I'll share it with you. For now, just keep watching the channel. Support the channel. I'm only enjoying making these videos and sharing what I see and trying to add as much knowledge and information to you guys and really helping people out because, that's what I'm here to do. So again, if you check out Sandbox, okay, so I've already opened up a tab, but they've been doing this for a while. Sandbox has a full Metaverse game. They have assets and they are crushing it. But the thing is, it's blocky. It's dorky. That's just how I feel. I'm going to call it how I see it. These assets, look, $21 for this weird Lego thing. It's childish, okay? And there's nothing wrong with that. If you like the Minecraft idea, cool. But when I think of a metaverse, I want cornucopias. They have games for everybody, but they have hyper-realistic AAA level quality assets that you can own and you can build. I think if they can launch this 50%, heck, even 20% of what I believe they are going to do, this is going to be huge. You will look back 5 years from now on this channel. You will be amazed. You'll be abashed. You'll be like, how did he know? How did he know? Right? Maybe put that in the comments. Hashtag, how did he know? How did the Moose know? Right? The website's looking pretty cool. So they have game testing. The game's not out yet. You'll know. I'll do a video when it does come out. But if you go to Web3, they have everything you need here. Tutorial, in-game assets, which is my favorite, right? So the vehicles, right? I own tons of these. And again, these are the retail prices. The idea with these assets is that you can use them in the game, right? So you will connect your wallet. And that's what's really cool, right? We have decentralization in the idea that you could own the COPI tokens and you can send them peer-to-peer, right? So this is built for the internet. The blockchain is built for games. When you think of blockchain, you have to look at the macro and think, where are we going with blockchain, right? And it's going to be DeFi, right? So it's going to be yield farming, providing liquidity so people can swap, borrow, lend. That's why I like Meld. Cornucopias, that hits in my mind when it comes to, we're getting into the Metaverse games. If somebody wants to play a game on a weekend, if you want to own digital land or property in terms of games, you'd look at cornucopias. And eventually, maybe real estate is going to get into this as well. So it's hard to predict, but I really believe we could see a 50x, maybe 100. So anyways, we're at the 10-minute mark. I want to keep this short and sweet. Go to cornucopias.io. Rob and Josh, hit me up. I would love to do a quick interview with you guys. I know they're busy, but yeah, that's what I'm investing into. It's my number 3 position right now in crypto. So I do believe in it. So pick yourself up a hardware wallet and check out more videos. Learn how to pick up some COPI. Not telling you to buy any, but that's what I would do. The moose is loose. The moose is going out. Cheers.